Hello, my name is Larry Burkholder, Training Manager, Digger Specialties, manufacturer of the Westbury line of aluminum railing systems. In this YouTube video, we're going to be discussing the Westbury Post options and then also the Westbury Post packaging. The Westbury Posts are available with the caps and the flares sold separately, depending on which distributor you purchase it from, or they are available in kit form. In this video, I'm going to show you a 2x2 by 37-inch post in kit form. And as we open the box, you can see the post is inside. And this, of course, is in post kit form. You can see that the cap is encapsulated and the flare is encapsulated in a piece of styrofoam. And then all of our posts are going to come with the plate option. All of our posts are going to come with a leveling feature. This is a unique feature for the Westbury line of aluminum railing systems. The stainless steel bolts are pre-installed from the factory and the shims are stainless steel, and this leveling feature will give you up to 5 degrees of movement in any direction. And then of course the lag heads and these leveling bolt heads are going to be concealed with the two-part snap-together flare. There's a separate video on instructions on how to use this flare. Here in front of me on this table is an array of Westbury posts. You will notice that all of the posts that have plates will have these two stainless steel shims and leveling bolts. There's matching two-part snap-together flares to hide this. And of course, any of these models with plates can be mounted to a backyard deck. And certain models meet International Residential Code, certain models need International Builders Code, and then of course these can also be attached to a masonry situation. So I'll start over here with this post. This is our standard 2-inch through post. This is going to rise above the top rail. This is available 37 and 43 inches tall, and then 47 and 53 inches tall for 36 and 42 inches tall straight and stair rail. Then this, of course, is if you're ordering the crossover post, this crossover hardware is already attached from the factory. This would be a straight crossover, and then, of course, also a corner crossover available in a 90-degree only. This is the 2-inch heavy-duty post. This is actually International Residential Code, or IRC code tested, listed on our Code Compliance Research Report 0163. You'll notice that this has two screw bosses, and this post is welded and screwed to the post at two locations, and the railing section and the post is passing International Residential Code. Then you have the stair crossover will attach to either the 2-inch heavy-duty post or the 2-inch standard post. This is a separate attachment, and this will swivel from 0 to 43 degrees. Also shown is our core drill post, which is 8 inches longer. That would be the scenario where you're going to drill a hole in the concrete and you're going to attach your post with hydraulic cement. You may also use this post when you use our Fascia Mount hardware system, which we'll discuss a little bit later in the video. Then we go to our 2.5-inch power post. This is International Builders Code tested, and you will notice that this has 6 screw bosses where the base plate is screwed and welded to the plate at 6 locations. This also has a Miami-Dade notification of acceptance criteria for high-velocity hurricane zones and can be installed in high-velocity hurricane zone markets, and is tested to meet International Builders Code on up to an 8-foot railing section. Then we have our 3-inch post, our 4-inch smooth 125 wall post, also works for backyard deck and International Builders Code, tested as such, our 6-inch smooth post, and then our 4-inch deco and our 6-inch deco. And again, you can see these can all be purchased in kit form with the two-part snap-together flare and with the cap in the kit, or with the flare and the cap sold separately. There are times where a fascia mount system works great on the backyard deck. It makes your deck a little bit larger, where you can mount your posts on the face of your deck. And what we have here is our 2-inch heavy-duty fascia mount kit, and you can see the contents of the fascia mount kit. This is in the process of being International Residential Code tested, but at this point it is not yet completed. If this is strictly for a backyard deck and your post does not need to meet International Residential Code, you can purchase a 2-inch post with just a 4x4 plate welded to it. But this is your Fascia Mount post kit, which includes 2 mounting angles, 2 backer plates, the cover for the bottom of the post, and the covers to hide all this hardware, and these 2 pieces that go inside the post. So what's going to happen here is you're going to drill holes into the side of the posts, and we're using our 2-inch heavy-duty posts. You're going to drill through holes. These are threaded, and these bolts are going to go through your post into this threaded piece of material inside. And then of course your angles, you're going to through bolt, not included in the kit. You're going to through bolt through your fascia board. Then of course you're going to hide that assembly with these covers, which are just going to slip over. And then you have your bottom cover, which is going to prevent insects or birds from building their homes in here. One thing I do need to point out with this kit, that in order for this to mount flush with this fascia board, you will need to notch out your deck board, so this is a nice flush look.